This associated feature of autism is defined as a disturbance in the normal coordination of the early developmental areas, cognition, adaptive behavior, speech, language, fine or gross motor, and social, emotional, or behavioral areas. These are developmental areas to be considered in the child aged birth to approximately 4 or 5 years, which is the time span that must be examined under this eligibility criteria. Disturbances of developmental rates and sequences can be seen in disrupted development, unevenness in development, delays in development, or in arrests and regressions. These disturbances can occur between developmental areas or within an area. You can see from the slide that a child could be behind or ahead in any combination of ways at one time. You are not simply looking for delays like you might see in intellectual disability, but for true disturbances in development. Here's a key point to help you understand this criteria area. Rates mean that skills appear at the typical age, and sequence means that skills appear in the typical order. Obviously, teachers are most familiar with the child after the child reaches school and may not have known the child prior to that. A good developmental history is needed to learn about the child's early life. Project Access developed a parent questionnaire which will help you gather the essential information about the child's early years. We've given you this questionnaire in Resource 9. It's long and thorough and asks the caregiver or parent the right questions about early development. Because it's long, we suggest that educators interview the caregiver or parent using the questionnaire. Remember, the caregiver was present during the child's early years and the educator was not. It is wise to accept the caregiver's account.